Hi, today we are unboxing and seeing what this wireless security camera looks like. It's a solar powered dual lenses camera which can rotate 360 degrees with antennas. It comes with its own 500 gigabytes storage device. So let's see what the device looks like. So the device comes in 4 categories, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a manual, and we have the 4 cameras. This is a 4-pack camera with all its all accessories come here. And here we have another accessory. We're gonna see all of them one by one. Okay. So on the first box we have solar panels. So for all 4 cameras we have 4 solar panels. So those are the solar panels. So the camera is powered by both power cable and also solar panel. It has its own rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So either you can charge the camera and power it on, or you can use the solar panels. So here we have 4 solar panels come with the camera. Those are USB Type-C cables, and those are mounting devices for the camera. They come with their own bolts and screws, and similarly for all of them. 4 mounting accessories, 4 screwdrivers and with bolts, and 4 Type-C cables. And the solar panel has here a mounting hole. This is where you mount the solar panel up there when you install it. Now that we are done with the first box, let's see the second box. The second box is the main system, which has its own 500 gigabyte storage. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has its own antenna. And the 500 gigabyte storage is inside here. So this is where this is the tray for the 500 gigabytes storage. So I think you can open it without unscrewing. This is the 500 gigabyte storage. And on the back we have some ports. So here we have power cable port for DC 12 volts. We have a USB port over here for the mouse. You're gonna see the mouse which is in the other box. This is an HDMI to connect it to a monitor or to a TV. This is a WAN, wide area network access port for the Ethernet cable to connect it to your router. We have a reset button here. We have an SD card button over here. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ports on the back. A power button, a USB port for the mouse, HDMI to connect with the monitor, a WAN, a wide area network, internet for the internet router using an Ethernet cable, a reset button, and SD card. And with this system comes an HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI cable, and an Ethernet RJ45 Ethernet cable. Those 2 accessories come with the storage, or with the main system, with the NVR system. They call it an NVR system. Okay, now comes the main part of this device, the 4 cameras. So we're gonna look at one just to see a sample. So this is what the camera looks like. It's a dual camera setup. So this is one and this is two. So they can point to two different directions and cover a wide range of field. So on the camera we have the infrared sensor, the PIR, and we have two lenses over here, and those are white lights, as you can see over here. And here we have a mic. If you can see, it's down here. This is a mic. So a dual lens, dual infrared sensor that can detect motion, and lights, 3 LED kind of lights on both sides, and 2 on both sides of the lower lens. It comes with its own antenna to connect with the NVR system. When we look at the back, we have a speaker at the back here, and when you open this, on the top of the camera we have a reset button which has its own cover. And as I said earlier, this camera has its own lithium-ion battery. So if you open this, this is where you charge the lithium-ion battery or the camera over here with the Type-C cables that we saw earlier. And this is the power on and power off button. So this is what it looks like. It takes 5-volt power cable. So it doesn't come with the adapter with the box. It comes only with 4 cables. So look for a 5-volt adapter that you charge your phone with to charge the battery on this camera. So here are all 4 cameras over here. This is the mouse that comes with the cameras with the system. This is where you connect it with the NVR to navigate through the system on your computer. This is the power cable or the power adapter for the NVR. So as you can see over here, the input is 100 to 240 volt, output is 12 volts or 2 ampere. And those 4 are mounting brackets for the cameras. So these are where the screws come in, and then you connect this over here. Try to do it with one hand. So basically you slide them in here, and then this is how it's going to look like when the mounting brackets are mounted. So this looks like an amazing device with 4 cameras which are going to cover all 4 corners of your house, and with dual lens on each camera and an infrared sensor, and with their own white lights, infrared lights, which turns on with any movement or motion. And last but not least, here is the manual. It's going to show you all the diagrams, how it's going to be set up. And this shows you that it doesn't come with the power cable, with the power ports, the adapter, and you have to mount the solar panel towards the sunlight, all solar panels. And here it shows how to point your cameras, the upper and the lower cameras, and the PIR induction zone. And here it shows all the labels, the antenna, the 2 antennas which we saw, the PIR, the infrared sensors, the lens, the microphone which we saw over here, indicator lights. There's indicator light over here on the camera. I don't know if you can see it. It's over here. So this turns on if the camera is on, and you can see if it's off. And we have a reset key on the back. We have a 5-volt charging port, a power on and off key, and a speaker. And this shows the NVR, the antennas, the power supply, the USB port, the HDMI port, the WAN or wide area network port, the reset button, and the micro SD card slot. And on the back we have seen the hard disk bay. So this is not an SSD, a solid state drive. This is an HDD, a hard disk drive. So it's gonna show you how to install it to a monitor, how to set up the app one by one. You can just follow this step to set it up on your computer and also on your phone. You can connect wirelessly to your router, or you can connect it with an Ethernet cable which is provided with the system. Okay, we are trying to set up just one camera and the NVR. So the NVR has to be connected with your router using an Ethernet cable. So I have only connected the power cable and the USB mouse over here. My router is not close by, so I won't be connecting this, but it's very easy. Just follow the steps which are shown on the manual, step by step, to connect it to your laptop and navigate through how to set up. But for now we are going to see the app, and you can connect the cameras to the app on your phone. So the app is called Cloud Eye 365, if you can see over here. So download this on your App Store, on Play Store. Open this, and it's gonna ask you to follow some steps, confirm your email, and so forth. So after that, you're gonna press add device. We are going to add the
A device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
So before connecting over here, you have to make sure that the camera power is on, which is found over here. Turn on the camera over here. So you will see the indication light. I don't know whether you can see it over here, that it's on. You can see the red blinking light. So as soon as the app finds the device, add the device. Go to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, we're gonna allow the app to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I have connected it to my Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it supports both 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Press next.
Please confirm the Wi-Fi name and password.
Now it's connecting.
Wireless settings, please wait.
So while this is doing that, the solar panel, you have to
The
connect the solar
wireless
panel.
connection is successful.
You have to connect the solar panel type C on the same power button which the charging goes. So okay, we are configuring the device now. So where do you want to put this camera? So you can choose, if it's outside, just put another name over here. You can say backyard. I'm gonna put just back Y for now, or you can skip it and then press next. So this is if you want subscription for a cloud storage. I don't need subscription. I'm gonna skip it. Skip trial. You can also invite a family member if you want. You can just skip this if you don't need it, but you can also add someone over there. So the camera is on. Let's see, it's loading. As you can see, now the camera is on. You can see both cameras. This is the upper one, and then this is the lower one. So I'm gonna try to show you outside. so here are both cameras. So another thing you can do is if you press those buttons, this is for the upper camera. So if you press those triangles over here, the camera is going to rotate. As you can see, the camera is rotating. This is up and down, or you can use this circle over here. Or the other side. So the camera can also do this with the motion sensor. If you press this button over here, you can use the microphone on the speaker. You can press this one to make it full screen. This is to record, take a screenshot. This is the sound, this is the light. So if I press this one, as you can see, the light is on. If I press it, then the light is going to be off. And this is if you want to change it to high definition or SD. So if you press HD, it's going to be HD. Once again, this is the light, the speaker, take a screenshot, record a video, and watch full screen. And you will see your photos over here. So this is what the app looks like. You can go back over here. So we have installed only one camera. So if you want to install all, you can install them on the app, and you can also set up this device with your laptop. Yeah, so this is basically what the camera looks like. This is an amazing device, convenient. You can control it on the app or on the laptop.